Hi everyone, this is Ashish Kal here from Ashish Kal Trading Gurukul लर्निंग सीरीज बाय wavestrategy.com। और ये जो वेबिनार है शॉर्ट स्वीट वेबिनार जो मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज फॉर एक्सक्लूसिव इनवाइटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर अ फ्री वेबिनार विच आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट ऑन अ संडे विच इज हैपनिंग 10th ऑफ अप्रैल। क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो हम कर रहे हैं अभी जो मार्केट्स को देख रहे हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मार्केट सिनेरियो है। एंड इफ यू हैव बीन ऑब्जर्विंग द मार्केट, it has shown a sharp rise, but was it predictable is the question that you should ask. There was a movement of more than 500 points we saw on Nifty, and equally we can see equally fast reversals also happen. So how do you rely on such kind of movements, and how do you get that conviction कि ये जो मूव है वो रिलायबल है, इसे ट्रेड किया जा सकता है या इसे छोड़ा जा सकता है? So for doing that, there are two tools which are most important, I think, which I have been practicing for more than a decade, is Elliott wave and time cycles. I've been talking about time cycles for quite some time, and there have been people who want to learn about Elliott wave because I am known as an Elliottician. I'm not sure if you are seeing this for the first time. You might not know me, but I am known in the industry as an Elliottician. Also for timing the turns. So major turns that have been there on the market right when Nifty was for the first time turned from 18,600, when Nifty formed a low in March 2020 at 7,500. All of those turns we were able to identify and capture extremely well. In fact, as I say, 2013 Sensex was around that 18,000 mark. We expected a move towards that 61,000 mark in 7 to 8 years. And October 2021, Sensex touched 61,000 level. So I have been able to call these kind of turns, these kind of moves on the market quite some time, many times in fact, and it has worked out exceptionally well. In this game of probability, yes, ये probability ही तो है, it's not certainty, we have been able to do that. And I have been conducting many webinars, I've been talking about it, I've been talking about how this is nothing but a science of trading. लोग सोचते हैं ये गैम्बलिंग है, नहीं, मैं कहता हूँ ये साइंस है, एक प्रोबेबिलिटी है, साइंस ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी. If you understand this science, you will be able to trade exceptionally well. But people call it gambling because they don't have a method. So you need a method, a strategy, and an edge. Edge का मतलब होता है something unique about yourself as a trading setup, which is going to differentiate you from everyone else. And especially in this market environment, I think options are one of the best instruments that can be used to trade. Market लग रहा है sideways है, you can trade with options. Market looks like ड्रिफ्टिंग ऑन अपसाइड, ड्रिफ्टिंग मतलब जाएगा ऊपर लेकिन बहुत स्ट्रांगली नहीं जाएगा, यू कैन सेल पुट एंड ट्रेड ऑप्शंस. Market looks like going like a rocket on the upside, you can buy calls. So options are the instrument where you can actually trade every market environment. जैसे कि मैं बोलता हूं कि मार्केट को कंड्यूसिव बनाओ, अगर मार्केट सिचुएशन डिफिकल्ट है, ऑप्शंस कैन मेक हेल्प यू मेक दैट मार्केट सिचुएशन कंड्यूसिव टू योर ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड फेवरेबल करने में. There are a lot of things that can be done using options. But the problem is, do you have the necessary know-how, understanding about options, understanding about time, and about wave theory? That is the key element. So ingredient जब तक बराबर मिक्स नहीं किया, so जो पकवान बनेगा वो अच्छा कैसे बनेगा? So कहने का अर्थ ये है, what I'm trying to tell you is that unless there is a proper mixture of time and prediction, how will you trade options well? So ultimately, I think that for forming a very strong trade setup, this is one of the best combinations that I have come across. इसका मतलब ये नहीं खाली यही चलता है. This is one of the best combinations, that's what I said. So I thought that why not share this recipe of combination with each one of you on a Sunday at 11 a.m., which is the 10th of April on a Sunday. Sunday काफी जन आराम करते हैं, so why not use this and try to learn this recipe, which is combining simple option trades with Elliott wave, with time cycles and candlestick, of course candlestick, क्योंकि ये basis पे हम properly trade कर पाएंगे. And you might be thinking कि यार ये कितने देर का है, ये 2 घंटे का वेबिनार है, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी में होगा. You have nothing to lose. You just have to give your time, and I will ensure that this will be an eye opener for you. Why learn from me is I've been with Lehman Brothers in 2008. I have cleared my CMT. I'm a CMT chartered market technician again in 2008. I have worked with Nomura also. I work with hedge funds. I know how these people function, right? And charts are something that I'm passionate about. I've even authored a book. You can see the book which is here right now with me. This is the book which I have authored, published worldwide, available even in India, US, and everywhere else. So why don't you want to learn something from me and then take the step forward in getting down and trading the market? Because see, even if you are a full-time trader, you want to increase your accuracy. अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो, don't you want to create that parallel source of income, which we also call as passive source of income, by trading options, by selling certain types of options, or buying certain types of options? You can do that. That is possible. लोग सोचते हैं कि ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सब्जेक्ट है, स्पेशली द वेव थियरी और टाइम. It's not complicated, but see, when you are first trying to learn something, if you need that edge, थोड़ा तो मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा, not much. You have to push yourself. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you certain tools and techniques on 10th of April in that 2 hours of webinar which we are going to conduct, that you can start implementing from the very next day. The best part about webinar is what? Together, we all together will forecast market for the coming week. कौन से डेट पे, कौन से टाइम पे मार्केट बैंक निफ्टी टर्न होगा, हम साथ में फोरकास्ट करेंगे. We have done that quite a lot of time in all of those past webinars, and people were simply thrilled. They were like, I was simply glued on the screen watching that time, that at 11:30 Tuesday, according to this technique, according to this science, market should go up. And at 11:30 Tuesday, Bank Nifty rallied by 600 points post that in just half an hour. ऐसा हुआ है, बहुत बार हुआ है. So we will derive that time. If you want to be in that part of people which we call as time traders, you need to be a part of this webinar. If you are not a part of something like this, which is available for free, you will miss out big time. Okay, so do not miss out on this golden opportunity of learning something so simple, so powerful, but just because you didn't take that step forward. Okay, you didn't want to push yourself. Step लेना भी क्या है, घर ही बैठना, आपको कहीं जाना भी नहीं है. You have just sit there and turn on your screen, and this is going to be there on Zoom platform. We are going to send you an invite, and you will be able to get that link. Register करना कैसे? You simply have to visit wavesstrategy.com/webinar, जो इस YouTube चैनल के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, कमेंट बॉक्स में आपको मिलेगा. वहां जाके आपको खाली आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है for this free pass, and you will get it. I'll just show you where you will be taken after you come on that page. So this is the page where you have to go and register yourself. wavesstrategy.com/webinar. After you register here, you will get an invite from us. You will get a reminder also. So do not worry, you will be all set. This is the page where you have to go and register yourself. And बहुत simple है. After you are done with this registration process also, you will also be getting 3 bonus videos along with it, so that you are learning in the market increases exponentially. ठीक है, आप सोच रहे होगे रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर चालू है, इन्फ्लेशनरी प्रेशर है, लेकिन मार्केट्स ऊपर है. क्या लेके जा रहे हैं मार्केट्स को ऊपर? क्या हमें बाय करना है कि सेल करना है? All of those I am going to give you in a short capsule of time, which is there on 10th of April. Also, ये वेबिनार जो है वो बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव है, बहुत सिंपल है, and this will change or transform you the way you are seeing the market now. So if you are a housewife or a student or looking for a job or already an expert trader, this webinar which I'm going to conduct is going to be for every single one of you. So why not you join me here and learn the science of how to trade options using time, using wave theory, simple step-by-step process, and we will do it together. Let's make it happen. Share it across with your friends, family members, and do register yourself for this free webinar, which is amazing. It's going to be an amazing. You will trust me when you look at that day, the time when we expect markets to reverse और exactly वैसा होता है. तो जो inherent experience जो होता है, that's simply amazing. So that is what my mentees, that is what my participants of Gurukul says, and that's what I am sharing it across with you. So see you soon on 10th of April, which is a Sunday at 11 a.m. Be ready. There will be thousands of participants. Do not miss out. Do not be late because we go full and we want to ensure you do not miss out on this opportunity, which can be life transformation for you all. This is Ashish Kyal signing off and see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.